The Gul Plaza fire has again exposed a harsh reality in Karachi. Authorities often grant NOCs for large amenity projects, shopping plazas, hospitals, universities, and schools, without enforcing practical safety requirements on the ground. Buildings are approved and opened while basic fire prevention and emergency readiness remain weak, including inadequate exits, poor evacuation planning, limited firefighting access, and a lack of strict compliance checks after approval. When an incident happens, the entire burden shifts to rescue services and the public, while the same unsafe patterns continue across the city. Equally serious is the parking and access crisis that comes with these developments. Many commercial and institutional buildings operate without sufficient parking capacity, pushing vehicles onto main roads, service lanes, and even footpaths. This congestion blocks emergency movement. Fire tenders, ambulances, and rescue vehicles lose critical minutes in traffic jams created by illegal parking and unmanaged entry/exit points. The result is not only a delayed emergency response, but daily disruption for residents and commuters, turning busy areas into permanent choke points. Karachi's planning system must move from paperwork approvals to real accountability. Before granting any NOC, authorities should make parking, traffic management, fire access routes, hydrant availability, emergency exits, and evacuation drills non-negotiable conditions, verified through independent inspections at multiple stages: design, construction, and before opening. Project sites should be required to display clear public information boards showing approvals, capacity limits, and compliance status, so citizens know what is being built and under what safety conditions. Without strict enforcement and transparent monitoring, every new plaza, hospital, school, or university risks becoming another safety hazard waiting for a tragedy.